Hello, my name is Freddie Fellner, and I am a product manager for valves in the Process Automation division at Festo. Today I'd like to present the angle seat valve VZXA, developed by Festo. There are lots of angle seat valves on the market. They are often used in secondary processes, for example, when using steam to heat machine and plant components. The demands placed on angle seat valves in these applications are very high. This is precisely where the VZXA displays its strengths: highly modular, robust and high flow rates. Angle seat valves VZXA come in different nominal widths and with different connection types and connection standards. They can be combined as necessary with the 3 available actuator variants. The sealing cartridge concept makes it very easy to change the stem seal, including on-site in the line. The welded stem seat has absolutely no dead spaces or moving parts. All process valves and actuators are made from stainless steel. Here you see the VZXA in our steam test station, with diaphragm actuator and piston actuators in 2 different sizes. The unique interface means that the actuator can be changed directly in the pipeline. This increases your flexibility and minimizes downtime. The valve body of the VZXA has a flow-optimized design. Our tests prove that the valve's characteristic values are above average. This increases the productivity of your plants. I hope you found this interesting. Incidentally, with our online configurator, you can design your VZXA quickly, easily, and exactly in line with your requirements. Do you have demanding processes? We have simple solutions.